Hey guys, welcome back. A new incremental update is rolling out for OnePlus 6 and 6T users. Last month we received stable version of Oxygen OS 10.3.3 and now OnePlus have rolled out a new update for the stable channel which is Oxygen OS 10.3.4. It's a stage rollout, so right now you won't receive it via system update section, but direct link of that will be given in the description below. You can download that file and place it inside the internal storage. So here I have the file which is of Oxygen OS stable version 10.3.4. I have already placed that file inside the internal storage. Going to settings, system update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you can choose the file. If you are using custom recovery, then avoid using local upgrade method. And huge thanks to Vikas, who's our Telegram admin, for providing this link of stable version for OnePlus 6 and 6T. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. Device have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information. Here you can see device is OnePlus 6T. Oxygen OS version is 10.3.4 and the Android version is 10. And now we have the security patch of 1st May 2020 and the build date is 5th May. This update doesn't bring much of new features. Few improvements have been done related to system and phone application. Here are the changelogs which are related to system and phone app. First one under system, they say updated launcher version to 4.1.6. I've been a beta tester for OnePlus launcher, so my version is 4.4.7, in which they have added the navigation icon for recent app, which you can see here, and a quick search feature have been added. Later they have updated the security patch to May 2020 and few improvements to system stability and bug fixes have been done. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to phone app, which says fix the issue with default country in assisted dialing when SIM2 is in roaming state. So I'm not sure about this bug. You guys let me know in the comment section below. From past few months I haven't used my SIM cards in roaming. Next they have added work-life balance to help prioritize notification and allocate time wisely. And this feature is only for Indian region. So yes, work-life balance have been added and you can see a small icon in the notification panel or the quick setting panel. Tapping on this will open up work mode and life mode. You can select any of these. From here you can manage the applications during your work mode and life mode, where you can also schedule the applications, and we have features like which Wi-Fi to be used during work mode or life mode. How many of you guys use this work-life balance mode? Do let me know in the comment section below. And the last changelog is newly added Epic game in game space. Again, this is only for Indian region. I'm not sure why this changelog has been updated under phone app. It's a complete different changelog which can be found inside the game space application. So here you have the Epic games, from where you can download games like Fortnite and Battle Breakers. So guys, these are the changelogs of stable version of Oxygen OS 10.3.4 for OnePlus 6 and 6T. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 514 and multi-core have scored 2230. With the Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 3,47,251. So guys, that was a quick look on the latest update of OnePlus 6 and 6T. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.